Malcolm Walker here once again with another fun fact. Did you know that this tiny octopus is one of the most deadly animals in the world? Nope, not the mimic octopus. This little guy is actually the blue-ringed octopus. And although it's smaller than a golf ball, it packs a punch that can kill you in less than a minute. Yep, this little guy is a real-life time bomb. So let's learn about the 2 scary ways that it kills. Number 2, deadliness. They're so small and colorful that they're easy to overlook. In fact, many people have been diving with blue-ringed octopus without even realizing it. They're also very intelligent creatures and are known to be curious by nature. For example, scientists are still trying to figure out how long their venom stays in your system once you've rebitten. So be careful if you ever see one in the wild. And be sure to share this post with your friends so they can learn about this amazing animal too. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. They're also trying to develop a vaccine for the venom, but so far, they haven't been successful. The good news is that blue-ringed octopus attacks are rare. In fact, there have only been a handful of recorded attacks in human history. But that doesn't mean you should go diving with them. If you do, you'll need to be prepared for the worst. Make sure you have a buddy with you at all times, and make sure you know first aid for venomous stings. You should also wear a protective suit and gloves while diving. And most importantly, don't touch anything you're not sure about. If it's small, colorful, and looks like an octopus, don't touch it. Just stay away from it. This means that they will often approach divers to investigate them further, which can lead to accidental stings. But what makes the blue-ringed octopus truly terrifying is the fact that it gives no warning before striking. As mentioned earlier, their bite is often painless, which means you may not even realize you've been stung until it's too late. Their venom is so powerful that it can paralyze you within minutes, and their bite is almost impossible to see. This means that if you're bitten by a blue-ringed octopus, you likely won't make it to shore alive. Even if you do make it to shore, the pain and swelling may be so intense that you end up losing a limb. First off, these guys are small, like really, really small. They know how to take advantage of our curiosity, and they know how to strike without being seen. It's no wonder they're one of the deadliest creatures in the ocean. After all, we're pretty big, and they're pretty small. So why do they attack us? Well, they don't really attack us on purpose. They're actually kind of shy, and they only bite when they feel threatened. But since they're so small, it's kind of hard for them to tell if we're a threat to them, so they just bite anything that gets too close. And since they're so fast, it's almost impossible to see it coming. One minute you re-swimming along, and the next thing you know, you've been bitten by a blue-ringed octopus. They're only about the size of a child's fingertip or smaller. But don't let their cuteness fool you. It's even scarier than their bite. Keep watching to find out what it is. These little guys pack a punch that can kill you in less than a minute. And their venom is 1,000 times more potent than cyanide. Just a tiny bit of their venom can paralyze you in minutes, and there's no anti-venom for it. So, once you're bitten, you're pretty much on your own. That's why the blue-ringed octopus is one of the most dangerous creatures in the ocean. They're just so small that you might not even notice one swimming up on you. Then when you do get bitten, it's too late. You're already on the clock. Their venom is so powerful that it can break down your nerve tissue and cause paralysis. And then it just takes a matter of minutes to stop breathing. Now, you might be wondering why they don't just avoid humans. But wait, there's more. There's another scary way that these octopuses kill. No. One unknown fact. Blue-ringed octopus is a master of disguise. These little guys are just too smart for their own good. But there's still a lot we don't know about these amazing animals. You know just how dangerous these little creatures are.